loves, and welcome back. My name's Angelique if you are new here, and today we're doing something we haven't done in a minute. We're gonna do a clean with me, so a little vlog of me cleaning, as well as I just got a box from Allswell of new bedding and some home decor. So I thought this would be a perfect opportunity to share with you guys the new bedding, as well as show you guys preparing for the holidays. I want the house to be spotless before I set up for Christmas. So my last week's vlog, I undecorated Halloween and I realized how dirty and dusty my house was, and that was not okay. So Sawyer's mom just came into town like 2 weeks ago, so she has been helping me get this house back in order and spotless. So in like the last week, we've cleaned the windows, we've cleaned all the AC units, we've cleaned behind the couch, and underneath the TV stand, as well as many other things. So today's clean with me, I have a whole other list that we are going to be doing. So I feel like after this list is completed and I have new bedding on the bed, I will feel confident to start decorating for Christmas. Now we are going to be decorating early this year just because why not? I feel like this year is so weird anyway. So we're going to put up Christmas probably at the end of this week. So be sure you're subscribed so you guys don't miss out on any holiday videos. I'm going to be documenting all the holidays, whether we're decorating, shopping, wrapping presents, all of it. But other than that, let's go ahead and get cleaning and get this house in order. Ooh, before we start cleaning, let me show you guys what we received from Allswell, because I want to get that in the washer so that way we can make the bed in this video and show you guys how it all turns out. So let me grab the box. I wasn't kidding when I said they sent a huge box of stuff. Yes, I already broke into the box and started using one of the blankets because it's the softest thing ever. All right, let me show you guys what they sent. So if you guys have been following me since we moved to Hawaii, you guys will know that Allswell was so sweet and they sent us the mattresses for the master bedroom and the guest bedroom. And everyone always comments how comfy the guest bedroom is. So, and we love our bed. So I will link the mattress that we have down below. So if you guys are looking for a new mattress, I highly recommend, I love it. It's so comfy. It's nice that we love them and our guests love them, and it's nice that we have such nice bedding for our guests as well. So Allswell was sweet enough and sent me a few refreshers as well as some new items that they had, and I can't wait to show you guys what's in here, as well as I can't wait to make our new bed. It'll be such a nice revamp for like fall and winter. So let me show you guys what we got. So the first thing in this box, like I said, I already opened it because it was too comfortable and I couldn't resist. It is the Allswell cotton block stripe blanket, and this thing is so soft and comfortable. At first when I saw this blanket online, I wanted it for the master bedroom, but when it got here, the colors in this blanket actually match our living room perfect, and I had gotten a size king so that way I could put it at the end of the bed. But now that it's on the couch, it's like the perfect blanket for Sawyer and I to share because it's really big. We recently got air conditioning, so we can now cuddle up on the couch with a blanket, but it's nice, it's not super heavy. So this blanket is very versatile for us because we can use it out here, we could take it to the beach, or we could also use it on our bed. So I just love having different types of blankets in the house, different sizes, so that way you can use them for different things. This blanket is perfect. Very happy about this. All right, and then Allswell sent over 4 of their new towels. I have their waffle towels and I love them, but then I saw online that they have a new set of towels, so I wanted to try those out. And I love that it's like an ivory or like an off-white, because white is really hard to keep white. And I like that these don't seem like super thick, because I have a problem with towels drying here in the humidity, so I hate that when towels start to smell. So let's check these out. Ooh, super soft. Oh yeah, these are perfect. Yeah, these are great. And they're thin but soft, so everyone will really like these in the house. So this next item, I didn't realize how excited I was for it, but a new mattress pad. It's the little things in life, like a new mattress pad. I actually haven't tried Allswell's mattress pad, so this will be the first time doing so I will let you guys know my thoughts. But I've been really impressed with their duvet covers and sheets, and I've mentioned this before, but I like ordering their sheets because it fits their mattresses perfectly. So if their mattress pad is anything like their sheets, I'm definitely gonna like it. So I'm excited to wash this today. and try it out. Speaking of sheets, we have a new set of the organic sateen sheets. I love these. We've used them since we moved in. They're super soft and I really like how crisp they are. You guys might have picked up on this, but I like crisp, tight sheets. So these are 100% cotton, and I also like that they have a little bit of a sheen to them, so they look super luxurious as well as they are super soft. And let me tell you, a new set of these were definitely needed, so I'm very excited about new sheets. And then they sent over a new duvet set. I just wanted to do a full refresh, so I thought a new duvet would be really nice as well. And something I really like about Allswell's duvets is inside they have little ties, so that way your duvet doesn't slip around. So if you're looking for like a good white duvet, I would check out this duvet set. I have them on both the guest bed and our bed, and I'm very happy with them. So this is one of the items that I wanted to like refresh our bedding. I love crisp white, but during the fall and winter, I like to warm it up a bit. So when I saw this blanket online, I thought this would be perfect just to warm up and add a little bit of texture to the bedding for fall and winter. So this is the Allswell blanket in a size king, and it's just like a coverlet, I'm pretty sure, but I thought I could use it as a quilt. I could use it on the couch, but I thought it'd be so pretty at the end of our bed. So it's a cream blanket with a light tan stripe, and this tan stripe actually matches our like curtains perfectly, as well as like our Euro linen shams. So I think this would be very, very nice just to add texture and mix it up for our master bedroom. And that's that. I think one of my favorite things is like new home decor and like new house stuff. So this is a very, very exciting unboxing for me. Ooh, this smells so good. Okay, so Allswell just launched new candles, and when I saw them on the site, I'm like, I think I need to try those out. So I picked out two. Oh, they came with stands. How cool is that? Okay, so this is the Vanilla Tonka Noir, and it comes on this little wood stand, which makes it look so cute and elevates your candles. How cool is that? Ooh, this one smells like a little musky. I love it. So I'm gonna pronounce this totally wrong, but it's Vete Hin. Wow, I'm not even gonna attempt that, but it is this scent. I'm a big fan of musk in my perfumes and in my candles, so yeah, this is a hit. Okay, so that is all the Allswell stuff. So I'm gonna get the sheets and the bedding into the wash, so that way everything can be washing and drying while we're doing our clean with me. And then I'll show you guys the revamp of our bedding and how it turned out. But if you guys are interested in anything that I talked about, I will link everything down below from Allswell. They're absolutely so sweet and I love their product. They're always sending me new goodies to share with you guys. So you guys wanna check out anything, it'll all be down there. Yeah, Allswell, thank you. I love you guys. You guys are the sweetest things ever. Always treating us to new bedding, but let's go ahead and get cleaning. Yay! Ah, smells so good. Oh, I'm so excited. So excited. Okay, so we are going to start in the kitchen. I have my list of everything we need to clean. So in the kitchen, we're gonna start with cleaning everything up, as well as move everything on the counters and clean it, wipe down all the appliances, bleach the sink, wipe down the stove, and wipe down the pendants. So I wanna get started because I have a long day of cleaning, but I promise for you guys, I will speed it up so it won't take all day for you. But let's just go ahead and get the kitchen done, and then the rest should hopefully go by pretty quick, but I'm excited for this deep clean, so let's get the kitchen done. Fun fact, my least favorite thing to clean is the stovetop. I don't know why. Luckily today it isn't that dirty, so I just have to wipe it down, but ooh, it is not my favorite thing. So we've cleaned the counters, we've done the appliances, we've bleached the sink, stove. Last thing to do in the kitchen is to clean the pendants. Those are dusty. Okay, so I can officially cross the kitchen off my list. For some reason, I always start in the kitchen. I just feel like it makes me feel really productive. If the kitchen's done, I know I can get everything done. So I don't know, maybe try it. I always start in the kitchen. Okay, so the next is the dining room. In here, there's not much to clean. So I'm just gonna wipe down the table, like move all of the place settings, and then shake out the cushions on the chairs. So that way when I vacuum, I can get up any crumbs or anything like that. So this should be super quick. Okay, so next on my list is the living room. Now, this room doesn't need a lot because a few days ago we cleaned the front windows, and while we were doing that, I pulled the couch all the way out. I mopped under there, I vacuumed under the couch, I had fluffed the couch, I repositioned the rug. So this room is not bad at all. What I want to do is make sure everything is dusted. I want to wipe down the coffee table and just make sure everything is good. Is that what I have? Yep, fluff couch. Oh, and then when I flip around, we're gonna do the entrance table and the mirror. And honestly, this room will be good. So let's get started. I'm exhausted and I didn't even have to do everything today because I've been breaking it up on purpose, knowing how much work it was going to be. Next, we're gonna head to the bathroom and scrub that. But first I'm gonna check the sheets and make sure they're drying. And we are more than 3/5 done. How cool is that? All right, we have made it to the bathroom. So pretty self-explanatory in here. I'm just gonna scrub down the tub. I'm gonna dust all the shelves, do the mirror and wipe down the vanity, and then just pick up anything that needs to be put away. So nothing too crazy here. We're just gonna start by putting everything away. Okay, so I'm done in the bathroom for now. I am going to scrub the shower and tub later, but I'm gonna do that when I shower because I just feel like it's easier just to jump right in after. So I'm gonna spare you that. So the sheets are still drying in the dryer. So I am going to start vacuuming and mopping, and then once that's done, because that'll be super quick, we'll make the bed and be on our way. So let's go ahead and vacuum the whole house and get that done. Okay, so in my last clean with me, I had unboxed my new Dyson. It's the V10 Animal Stick Vacuum. It's the cordless one. Dude, this makes my life so much easier. I freaking love this vacuum because I am constantly vacuuming up sand, grass, dirt. Somehow these floors get so dirty and dusty, so I probably do this once a day. Hold on, all I need is to go outside. Little potty. There you go outside. I love this vacuum. It's been a hit in our house. It's really easy just to go do every room really quick, or if something spills, you don't, it sounds ridiculous, but you don't need to plug in a vacuum. It's just super, super simple. So I'm going to pick up the rugs and start vacuuming this house and get this off the list. Okay, so for my mop solution, I still use the same thing. I use white vinegar. Then I add in some of this multi-surface cleaner by Lysol to clean and fresh. So I just put in some hot water, mix that up, and that's it. Oh, and I'm still using my O-Cedar mop. I love it because I can detach the mop head and throw it in the washer because nothing drives me more nuts than a mop that starts to smell. So I really, really like this mop.
Okay, well, will you text me when I can snack? Uh-oh, you better tell him he can't snack.
Oh yeah, no, you can't come in here either. Oh, Sawyer and his mom just tried to come in here and snack. I said no.
Yeah.
Oh, look at him. He went to
Hi, Hitch. Oh, did you see my story? Go look at my story and where he's been laying. I just watched it on Comforter and it's all over the floor. Don't even.
I have socks.
Nope.
Really?
Really?
Because you make footprints. You have to wait till it's dry. See, it's wet.
Hitch, you better not. I know, but I'm sorry. You got footprints too.
This is a rough life, right? You gotta go back to bed. Don't put that tail down. Yeah, go. Go.
Go to bed, buddy.
Go to bed.
Good boy.
Wait, do you have to go potty or something? No, he doesn't have to go. Yeah, just give it at least 5 minutes. Mopping's done. Whew, oh, the floors look so much better. Okay, so the mattress pad and the sheets are done. I'm just waiting on the duvet to fully dry. So I'm gonna strip the bed and then we'll start making the bed with the new Allswell bedding. Oh, I'm so excited to like unwrap this and see how it all looks put together. Yeah, so let's go ahead and start by stripping the bed. Well, that's nice. I think one of my favorite things about having an Allswell mattress as well as the bedding is everything fits how it's supposed to. Like for instance, my last mattress pad, it was fine and it fit. Obviously it's made for a king, but this just like hugs all the corners and that makes me happy. All right, the duvet is dried and ready, so let's get this right side out. And just like that, the bed is made. Oh, you have no idea how excited I am to crawl into bed knowing it is literally a brand new bed. New mattress pad, new sheets, new duvet, new little blanket. And this blanket is perfect because it's actually quite thin. Like I could put it at the end of the bed, but I just liked how soft it was. So it just gave us a different texture, like, you know, like a soft quilt. So very excited to crawl into bed tonight. Oh, yay, I'm so happy with how it turned out. I'm exhausted. I've been cleaning since 10 a.m. and it's 4 p.m. Whew. Okay, what do you think?
Oh, I love it. Oh, I love it.
How cute is that blanket?
Oh, I love this.
Right? So it's like a thin blanket so I could like use it on the couch, but isn't it cute?
Oh, it looks great on the bed.
Oh, I'm so excited. It's gonna be like super soft.
This is beautiful. I like this
Right?
better than even the other one.
Right?
Yeah.
It is so pretty. Whew, okay, that was a really, really long day of cleaning, but I am so satisfied. Everything looks so good. It smells so good. I don't see any dust, which makes me really happy. So I feel confident about starting to decorate for the holidays. Yes, I am going to start decorating for Christmas probably this week. I'm really, really excited because last year was the first year that I decorated for Christmas and I kind of got a late start because I had to go find everything, and this year I have it. I'm ready to go. I already know what I want to do, so very, very excited to get decorating and very, very excited to have a spotless house. I know, Sawyer walked in, he goes, I feel like I can't touch anything. I'm like, you can't. Don't touch anything. So I hope you guys enjoyed another little clean with me, as well as seeing all the new bedding from Allswell. I am so happy with how it turned out, as well as I love the blanket on the couch, and I'm excited to try their new towels and candles. So I will let you guys know my thoughts on them once I try those new items and sleep in the new sheets and with the new blanket. So if you guys would like to check out all the items from Allswell, everything will be down below. Their team is seriously so sweet, and I just love them over there. So be sure to check check them out. And also don't forget to subscribe if you have not done so already. I talk about fashion, beauty, and I share our lives here in Hawaii. I pretty much vlog at least once or twice a week. So if you guys would like to be part of our family, I'd love to have you. But that is it. I hope you guys have a great rest of your day. And as always, we'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.